Ella.
I'm Lexi.
And welcome back to Yoy and Ducky's Kitchen. Today is a kitchen takeover. So, today we're making Christmas cookies. Let's get into the ingredients. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So guys, the ingredients are 4 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, we have a 1/3 cup of cornstarch, 1 stick of butter, cubed up, and then we have vanilla extract, salt, and we have coconut flakes for a little bit of pizzazz, and then we have our 2 eggs. So, let's get into it. Woo! Alright guys, so here we have our 1 stick of butter cubed up. We're gonna pour it into this bowl. Next, Miss Lexi's gonna add in the sugar.
Yay!
Just pour it right on top of the butter.
Okay.
There you go, good job. So, next is you're gonna have to whisk it until it combines nicely. So, let's do that now. Woo!
When life gives you a lemon, make something sweet. Oh my God.
Alright guys, this is the consistency you're looking for in your butter mixture. Now we're gonna add our vanilla extract, salt, flour, and cornstarch, and our 2 eggs. Alright guys, now we're gonna add in our 2 eggs. Now we mix. Alright guys, this is the consistency we are looking for right now. Next we're gonna add in our vanilla extract and our flour. Alright guys, now we're gonna add in our vanilla extract. Alright guys, now we're gonna add in our salt. Perfect. Now we mix. Next step, add in your cornstarch. Then add in your flour. Now we mix. Alright guys, this is the consistency you're looking for currently, and now we're going to need our dough. Guys, so now we're going to take our flour and sprinkle it on our work surface. Alright guys, now we're going to take our dough mixture and put it on to our work surface.
Wow.
Alright, so now you just want to knead by bringing it together. And knead. Our rolling pin, and we're gonna roll out our dough. You wanna roll it from all sides so it becomes flat, like a spear or a circle. Now, Miss Lexi, do you wanna roll?
Yay.
You wanna roll? Oh, okay. Here, how about this, okay? Like this. See? Now we come over here. Ready? Now you're gonna roll it slowly, slowly. Now turn it and roll it slowly back and forth. Good job. Ready? I'm gonna let go, okay? Go. Good job, Miss Lexi. Round of applause. Thank you. All right, that's good. With lots of holly, la 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 la, tilly, la 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 la. Hark the herald angels singing, la 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 la. So now we're gonna take our dough and separate it so that we can put it in some plastic wrap and then put it in the fridge. So I'm just gonna cut it right down the middle. Do you wanna help, Lexi?
Sure.
Okay, ready? Keep it a straight line. Good job. Now run it like a credit card. Guys, so our dough is now out of the fridge, and I forgot to show the part where we wrapped it and rolled it over once and put it in the fridge, but I forgot that clip. So can you forgive me, please? Anyway, guys, the next step is we're gonna then
Yeah.
it's snowing.
It's snowy plow.
All right, guys. Now we have to unwrap our dough.
Ooh, wow. It's so satisfying. Kind of like ASMR.
All right, Lexi, do you want to help? Can you try and just hold it so it doesn't break? All right, careful, careful.
Cold.
Guys, now we're gonna bring it together our dough into one large clump so that it's easier to roll out. All right, guys, we've brung together our dough, and now we're going to roll it out. All right, guys, so as you can see, we finished rolling out our dough, and now the exciting part is our cookie cutter. So we have a snowman cookie cutter with different shapes and Lexi's little bow. So we're gonna go ahead and imprint the snowman. Ready, Lexi? Push down. 3, 2, 1. Ready? Push. So now, guys, we're gonna just go ahead and try and trim around the edges of our cookie cutter.
This is so satisfying. It looks so
You want to
cool,
take off the
sis.
excess? Want to help Lexi? She can get the other side.
You're doing a great job on this.
Thanks. If Lexi said I did great, guys. Final reveal for our 2022 Christmas cookies in 3, 2,
Reminds me of
1.
Okay. No. Okay.
Just
Okay.
Okay.
There's a couple left. All right, guys. My
It's the
favorite ones are the little mini,
stockings.
which is these
Are the
ones.
little mini
They're really
stars.
cute. Let me show you my collection of my stars. My galaxy right here. All right, guys. Now that our shapes are out, we're gonna go ahead and pick them up and put them on our baking tray. We have here a bell. And careful, Lexi. Put it right in the middle.
Our Christmas tree.
Right in the middle. And then we have Lexi's favorite stocking.
Okay.
All right, guys. And we're gonna repeat the remaining molds to get these shapes again. How do you think we did? Christmas cookies, tray 1.
Hey guys, I'm gonna be cutting some shapes with this ribbon. It goes so cute and it's so perfect. Let's go. The first one's gonna be right here. Hit, hit, hit. This is kind of like I'm building a sandcastle. And release. Ta-da!
Here's some more.
Let's do one right here. Din, 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 hit, hit, hit.
Merry Christmas.
And
Can I do some?
yeah, sure, Mom.
Did I spoil it? Okay. Yeah, safe.
Let's
So
see.
I'm going to press hard.
This is my piece.
Woo!
Alright guys, this is the final product and we're gonna bake our cookies for 13 minutes at 350 degrees.
Wow, they are so cute.
And on top of Lexi, she has a little bit of
Merry
some
Christmas.
Merry
Christmas. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys for baking all these by yourself. I was just behind the camera supervising. Okay. Ready?
Alright guys, so this is the final product of our Christmas cookies. These are my sugar cookie Christmas cookies. And then we have Lexi's ribbon cookies with a couple of them sprinkled with coconut flakes. Comment down below, well done, because I think we did a pretty good job. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Your and Ducky's Kitchen. Bye guys.
Bye guys. Thank you guys. You guys did amazing. And guys, the cookies are so delicious. I really enjoyed watching them bake these cookies from the beginning to the end. And Miss Lexi will be sending some to her teachers at school. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to tell my girls in the comments